Where them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there, and NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack, you know, my people. Zin? So, the other day, my viewers and subscribers, I covered a story that took place over in New York, my people. And it is where a Jamaican born nurse, you understand, also a flight attendant from American Airlines, my people, was found stabbed to death, my viewers and subscribers. Really sad something, you understand, because she was a nurse who a lot of people know, and a lot of people say, yo, never deserve to go this way, my viewers and subscribers. So I did an upload on this story, people, where I tell you a lot of information about her, where she works and something, and you know what I mean, at the time, people, of what happened, the police, them never have no camera footage or nothing. People can determine and say who is the perpetrator behind this, my viewers and subscribers. But based on everything, my people, and from me they get the article and me read it, people, and me don't say it and me they talk it, so you know, say one of them pum start or something there. You understand, could have done something like this, and I check it out, people. And the first look when the police them have to look into, people, if she have no problem with nobody in a relationship or this or that, people. And where some people that say it can be something from her job or something like that or something. After I say the whole thing, I say, no, sir, this have nothing to do with the job, people. From you see this, you don't know, say some look up, feelings are going for the pumps, they say. You understand? No joke about it. So viewers and subscribers now, today, you know, today our Sunday, August the 1st, you understand, 2021, you know what I mean, at the time of doing this recording, not sure if it's going to be uploaded on this date, my people, because you don't know the thing. But what me I say, some information reached to NEWLINK about the whole thing now, my viewers and subscribers. So based on the fact what me I telling about that bomb start and something that my people, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, attacking boss was on point. Yeah. So, right now, people, them have a ex in custody. Right now, my people. Yeah, a ex. You understand? Who she and him did live together, people, but she managed to come some woman, you know what I mean, end this lovey thing, this really when I work something, people, and decide say, you know what, you need to come out of a place, you go your ways and me go my ways, you know, because this now work or something, you know what I mean, or things you used to do now do good no more, or you do this, you do that, so it's just better for we move on and we call it a day, my people. Well, for this ex something, I know, my viewers and subscribers, basically two things look. It look like him take the things so different, people, and him decides, you know what, if me can't get you, me can't have you, well, nobody else will. So it is said that now, my viewers and subscribers, because remember, if you're going back to the first upload I did, people, we don't get the telling us say, yo, she was coming from work. You understand? Because when them strike or when the perpetrator do whatever do, people, it was close to where she work. So basically, people, what them say now, on the day the perpetrator, the wicked sin thing, pick her up, my viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Like him that come to her and say, you know what, me I come up my house, come take out me, close them or something. You understand? They look one them having at the scandal bag, they look one them in a little dirty basket back at the door, and they look one them when me having a little closet there, they say, you understand? And the little two little piece of shoes that when me there, so me I come for them, you understand? So him not need nothing big people, you can't move, you look at something them when you have there. So it comes to boom now, people, and him pick her up, my viewers and subscribers, because deep inside she feel good, so yo, she get the release, she get the break, or she want to break away from the problem, from the demonic sin thing, my viewers and subscribers. And it is say when him comes to boom, people, and basically pick her up on a ride and something, my viewers and subscribers, and then a little argument got escalate between the two of them, because him start freak out and them something, and I say, yo, why you want me come out, why you don't make me work here? And she starts saying, yo, it's over, it's done. Because I'm done plan everything, people. I'm done have a big hole, one of them sword knife upon him, viewers and subscribers, and boy, the bag of chattings, people, him comes to boom and just start work it. You know what I mean? Sadly, my viewers and subscribers, yo, she ball out, she cry out for help. Neighbors come to boom, and people was close by and see what go on and hear what go on, my people, and then come to boom, alerted the police come on the scene, them rush her to the hospital, my viewers and subscribers. And sadly, you know what I mean, she drop out, she not make it, my people. Yeah, she gone. she was just in her early 40s, my people. But this man, 49, almost touching 50s, my people. And boy, the boy I carry beer feeling to the pumps inside, my people. Him nah let it go. You know what I mean? Like him just get caught up with it. Him just get trapped up with it, my people. And him just decides, you know what? If me nah get it, you nah go give nobody else, my people. And this is what he did, which is totally wrong, which totally deserve an attack. I mean, now go stop attacking NEWLINK. Give it to him, NEWLINK. Attacking boss, drop it, attack. Panda 49-year-old sin thing there. The wicked demonic sin thing they order this to the woman, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. See? Jaja don't like ugly. Okay. My viewers and my subscribers, let me tell you this, sir. See? I'm say them things over and over. Look here. We know how it go. We know so we be in a relationship, people. Whether the man is the problem, the woman is the problem, my people. And we know so sometimes then drive to a max or drive over to the max, my people. Or feel like, say, you know what, we are going to do this and we are going to end this. But look at the man. It's best you walk away, you leave it alone. You know what I mean? Leave it alone, because what? The end of the day, you know, this not worth your 3 points. See? This not worth your time in a prison, in a life sentence. You get what me I say? This worth the time where you need to use your brain cell and think. And don't be a fool and play a fool and go do something that are going to cause you to be in a trouble and be in a problem. But you see, when you come somebody and make that move there and go put yourself in a trouble and a problem and go take out somebody 3 points, well, dog, you have your on this, so you're going to get the attack. Whether you're on the FEMALE side or you're on the MALE side, you're going to get the attack. Any one of them strike, my people. So this piece of sin thing, I know, my people, put himself in this position when him decides, so yo, if him not get the meat, nobody else cannot get the meat. You understand? So him comes a boom, and that is what he did, people. Sadly, she gone. And from the previous article, people see how much love me talk, how much people talk the good thing about this woman, how they can't believe what has happened to her, my people, and how she was a good worker at the hospital, how she was a good flight attendant, and she leave Jamaica from a young age, and she comes a woman going to the States and pursue her career. We have seen where her son did talk out and say, yo, him can't believe what has happened to his mother. We have seen where our brother come forward and speak up, my people, and everybody show them love, and you know what I mean, because, yo, you know, word to people, for see, and it's sad for see how people can just take out people out of this world, my people. People just, yo, the devil let go, and I say it over and over, the devil just let go, people. See, you have to be strong and have God inside. Remember the attacking boss telling that. So my people, big up on yourself, and you don't know the thing, and more love my viewers and subscribers, and more respect every time. And thanks to the love, my people, thanks for the support, thanks for the like them, thanks for the share, thanks for the comment, thanks for everybody who tell your people, them and tell your friends about the attacking boss. You know what I mean? I just more love every day, my people, and yo, me appreciate you all so much, man. The whole Caribbean people, them, the whole England, USA, Canada, you know what I mean? Everybody, man, I just appreciate the love, my people, I appreciate the support, and thank you all so much, and big up on yourself. Peace, love, respect, be good, be great, and be safe. Fully attack. You don't know the thing, attacking boss of that. Peace out, my people. Rest in peace. Don't know. Attack.